Okay, how fun is that? Hi friends, it's Shelley from Papercraft Hugs, and this little beauty is exactly what I'll be teaching at the Card Makers Success Summit, which starts tonight with the opening ceremonies. My session is called Come Twist and Pop with Me, and honestly, I had so much fun putting it together. This is one of those fun folds that looks super impressive, but is way more doable than it seems, which of course is my favorite kind. I will walk you through every step, and by the end, you'll be able to make this with whatever supplies you already have at home. Now, here's the part that I don't want you to miss. The summit has over 24 presentations from amazing card makers. And if you want access to all of them, including mine, plus lifetime access to the recordings, you'll want the premium VIP all access pass. So here's what's inside. You'll have lifetime access to all 24 presentations, a 300-page digital card project workbook, full transcripts, exclusive bonuses and discounts from the speakers, live card making sessions, co-working sessions after the summit, a VIP Zoom crop, and more. And altogether, it's over $1,000 in value. And right now, it's only $79. But here's the thing, and I don't want you to get caught up in this. The VIP pass disappears tonight at midnight Eastern. After that, only the basic pass will be available, and it's $99. So the better pass is actually the one that's cheaper right now. I know, sounds backwards, but that's Summit math for you. The link to grab your premium VIP All Access Pass right now is below this video. I would absolutely love to see you inside, and I can't wait for you to pop and twist with me. Now, did you want some more sneak peeks into the cards that I'm making? So you start with this card here, and you'll learn the basic mechanisms of how this works. Then, this is the one that I'm teaching in the summit, but it's really easy to take it from that to this, which is where, with just a couple of adaptations, whoops, a little guy has his little banner is not playing very well. You can change it to this for a cute little Christmas card. And then if you want to step it up yet again, with just a quick little adaptation to the mechanism, you can take this and you've got these butterflies. Isn't that gorgeous? And the cool thing is it is all exactly the same mechanism that runs all three of these cards. Once you learn how to do it on the Santa card, you can adapt it to the other two cards really, really easily. All right. Well, happy stamping, and I hope to see you at the summit starting tonight. Thanks. Take care.